Concealing your ear canal isolates background noise, but it creates uncomfortable pressure and blinds you to traffic during workouts. Sony designed the LinkBuds Open with a donut-shaped 11mm ring driver that leaves your ear canal open to natural ambient sound. Inside each 5-gram bud, an upgraded integrated processor delivers punchier mid-range acoustics, while flexible air-fitting supporters lock the housing securely against your cartilage. The redesigned battery architecture provides 8 hours of continuous playback on a single charge, plus 14 extra hours inside the compact case. Built-in microphones let you adjust volume and answer calls using standalone voice commands or cheek taps without touching your phone. While open-ring acoustics naturally sacrifice sub-bass rumble in noisy subways, they deliver unmatched safety for runners and cyclists. Would you trade passive noise isolation for all-day ambient awareness?